Cell Tower Site Lease Security Option by www.celltowergold.com. This article has to do with profitable cell tower lease investing. The cell tower site lease security option refers to one of the profitable ways to create cell tower lease deals. However, it could also refer to creating an over-the-counter options on securities derived from collections of cell tower leases. There are several ways to profit from cell site investments. First, let us look at the size and shape of the cell tower lease market. Hundreds of thousands of cell sites. There are hundreds of thousands of cell sites in the USA, and phone companies own about 7% of these. They lease the rest. Cell Tower Gold estimates that there are roughly 370,000 that are amenable to cell site lease investment. In other words, the current owner is willing to sell the lease and perhaps the underlying property. The current lease owner may be in financial straits due to a failing business, in failing health, or nearing retirement. To profit from these situations, find cell sites, talk to the owners, create deals that profit all concerned, and collect these leases. Then you can simply collect lease payments, or you can sell to another buyer and pocket your profits. Or you can use the cell tower site lease security option. Cell site lease buyers. There are investors who would like to buy and hold cell site leases. These can be compared to dividend stocks in that they pay cash on a routine basis. Having one or two of these investors lined up makes the whole process easier and commonly more profitable. If you are able to buy many of these leases, you can go the security route. The cell tower site lease security option entails creating securities or stocks that have standard value and pay periodic dividends based on the underlying lease payments. You can market these securities to private investors in bite-sized investment amounts. While an investor may not have the cash to pay for a $250,000 property and associated lease, he may have $1,000 to buy 10 shares through the cell tower lease security option. Options on cell site lease securities. Using the over-the-counter route is perfectly acceptable to buy and sell options contracts on cell tower securities. If one were to choose to do this, it would probably be because he was not sure about the rate of return on the investment or its underlying value. A factor here would be the interest rate. Because these investments would be priced similar to dividend stocks, their value might fall with higher rates and go up with lower rates. However, most folks who would choose the cell tower lease security option would simply be putting their money in a sound investment with a reliable rate of return. Cell tower leases typically run for 25 years or longer, and lease payments commonly increase over time to account for inflation. If you are interested in cell tower leases and the cell tower site lease security option, take the course offered by Cell Tower Gold. For more information about this amazing opportunity, please visit www.celltowergold.com.